So this is my new vacuum storage bags. I got these because it was one of the top ones on Amazon. Here's the amounts that you get. So you can see right here, 4 jumbo, 4 large, 4 medium, 4 small, and 4 travel. And then you also get a pump with it. 4 easy steps to pull out the air. Here's the pump, nice and simple. And here are all the clips. So I'm going to do this sweater, and all we got to do is close the top, and you kind of want to push out a good bit of air before you start. And these just slide right off, so you can just slide it right through. I'm going to pass my hand just to make sure it closes really good. Then we need to remove the cap. Just take this cap off. Now if you have a vacuum, you can put that hose right over this port right here, and then it'll pull all the air out, but we're going to use this part. So let's go ahead and screw that on. All right, it's on tight. So now it's going to start pulling the air out. So you can hear it pulling the air out. Now, it's having a little bit of a problem because if you notice, I'm using too big of a bag, and it's suctioning on the back side right here. So it's taking a little bit longer to actually do it. So you see now that there's some space, how it works. So you want to make sure you got the right size, or to make sure there's a garment right there. That way it can pull the air out. But since I made this little pocket, see, it's pulling the air out. Now just continue until it's really hard to pump. And I don't know if you can see, but it's pulling the air out of this sweater. So it's making it real flat. And this is mainly what I wanted to do. Seal it up from dust and insects and stuff. So unscrew it. So it's pretty much on there. You can see here's the cap. This is the one-way valve, so it has like a little rubber seal on it. Cap that to make sure that it doesn't come loose, and there we go. So even with this one sweater, you can see it really compressed it, and my thing is to keep it to where it's airtight. So that's one of the biggest reasons I got these, is so they stay airtight, watertight. I can put these in anywhere in my attic, whatever, and not have to have a specialty plastic bin to put them in. I can just put them in here and then slip them in any rubber container that I have, or plastic container that I have, to really keep them sealed, and I don't have to worry about it until I switch out my winter and summer clothes. But this is everything that comes with it. You saw that process was very simple, and even if you don't want to use this, you can always unscrew the cap and just roll the air out. If you roll it, it'll push all the air out of here. I did want to say that real quick. But that's it. Very simple. That's everything you get with it. And I'm going to go ahead and seal up my winter clothes.